Hey there everybody, Aaron Rath from Rath's Tesla, and today we've got a video for you. So I have the 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper, and as you know, this car has the front camera on it, and while driving I have had some issues, and I don't know if you can see it here, but the camera is cracked. So today we're gonna go over to Tesla. I'm actually on a road trip. It's right 2 days before Christmas. I'm over here in Utah, not Colorado, and we are going to go get this repaired. So wanted to kind of walk you through it. You know, a lot of people are going to say, well, you could have fixed it yourself, you could have done this yourself, and you're absolutely right. It's like two little screws underneath and then pull it out in a wire. But I'm going to show you what this costs to have it repaired, and you'll understand why I'm having it done. But first, I want to show you the camera and how you can tell without looking. So if you look at my camera, this top one here, but as you can see on here, I've got this blurry mark there and then one that goes here. So that's cracks in the lens on the camera. I took a rock at some point on the highway and it cracked it. So as I said, I'm headed over to Tesla right now in Riverdale, Utah to get this replaced. I was gonna do it myself, and then I put in the service ticket, because a lot of times when you put in the service ticket, then it'll list all the parts that you need, right? So I put in the service ticket, and the camera itself is $205, and it costs $45 to have it installed. So I'm going to take it in and have it done for $45. It takes away any issues that I might have or have to dig out my tools, lay on the ground to do it. And then while I'm there, they're going to do the free cleaning on my windshield cameras. There's something that they call glove box adjustment or something like that. And they're going to do that. And then I'm sure they'll check the air in my tires like they always do. But we're going to drive over there. I will tell you though, I have 14.2.1.25 full self-drive, and this camera does not affect that at all. So we're going to go ahead and head on over there. And I know they're not going to let me film inside as they're doing the work because they don't want to give that away. But just to show you, you know, I'm actually driving. I should say the car's driving. I like that it lets me hold the device in my hand now, because I can hold the camera and do this. And we're driving on hurry mode. The car does really well. I'm really impressed. I'm getting to pay attention to the road. It's because I wasn't paying attention to the road. The device had nothing to do with it. Had everything to do with paying attention to the road. But we're on our way to the service center now. We'll catch back up with you once we arrive. All right, so we just got done with service. Let's take a look at the service ticket. So they did 4 things for me. They replaced the front bumper camera, as you can see right there. That's $245.50. They do the same things they always do. They check tire pressure. They reworked the glove box, and I asked what that was, and basically early Model Ys, they were too tight, and so they changed the magnets up basically to make it easier to open. And then they cleaned my front camera fascia. So let's pull up this front camera, and you can see that is way clearer and way better than it was before. No cracks, nothing broke in there, and that's a beautiful thing. So here's what we're gonna do. Just so we don't have this issue again, I purchased these. These are lens guard. They're basically just a bumper camera cover. I got them on Amazon. I'll have the link down below. And we're just gonna take one out and put it on. The camera is clean, so it's nothing more than just popping this little bubble over the top of the camera. So it's just this little bubble, and this bubble goes over the camera. So let's go put this on real quick. And you just peel this blue tape off, and it looks like that, and you're just gonna slide it over. and press it into place. Once you get it pressed into place, then it just has a little protective on there. So now instead of breaking anything, it's going to break this $10 part instead of the $250 part. And then just so you can see, this is the front camera after I put that guard on there. It doesn't change anything. It doesn't affect the camera at all. But this camera is much clearer than it was before. So that'll do it for today's video. Just a quick, hey, we had to get a camera replaced. They take rocks. If yours hasn't broken, if it hasn't cracked, I would highly suggest getting some of these lens guards now and putting them on so you don't have to do this repair after the fact. But easy enough. I mean, I think I spent $20 on 2 of these on Amazon. Like I said, I'll have a link in the description down below, and then you can get these for yourself and get them on the car so you don't have to deal with it. But that'll do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Be safe. But as always, get out, go drive, be safe. Make sure you subscribe to our channel as well. Rats Tesla here, right? Subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video. Let me know if you've had this issue and if you found some better way to protect it. But this seems to be the way that's going to work for me. But thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video.